Hello and welcome to FinTech World. Is ChatGPT good or bad? In this video, we will tell you about ChatGPT, both positive and negative. First, why ChatGPT is bad. As an AI language model developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like responses based on the input it receives. While it has been trained on a vast amount of data and can generate coherent and informative answers, it is not perfect and may make mistakes or give incorrect responses at times. Additionally, its responses are limited by the data it has been trained on and may not always reflect current information or the latest developments. It is also important to keep in mind that as an AI language model, ChatGPT does not have feelings or emotions, and its responses may not always align with human emotions or attitudes. It's also important to note that while the model has been trained on a diverse set of data, it may still produce biased or insensitive responses. It is important for users to use their own judgment when evaluating the responses generated by ChatGPT and to always fact-check and verify information before using it. Second, why ChatGPT is good. ChatGPT, as a language model developed by OpenAI, has a wide range of potential uses, including conversational AI. ChatGPT can be integrated into conversational interfaces such as chatbots to provide human-like responses to user queries. Question answering. ChatGPT can be used to generate answers to questions in a wide range of domains, such as history, science, or technology. Text generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate text for various purposes, including writing articles, composing poetry, or generating code. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, helping to break down language barriers. Sentiment analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze and classify the sentiment of text, helping businesses to understand and respond to customer sentiment. Text summarization. ChatGPT can be used to automatically generate concise summaries of longer documents or articles. These are just a few examples of the many potential uses of ChatGPT. The flexibility and versatility of the model make it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. Can ChatGPT generate an income? ChatGPT has a wide range of potential uses and applications, making it a valuable tool for a variety of industries. As such, there are several ways that ChatGPT and OpenAI can generate income. Commercial licensing. OpenAI may sell licenses for companies and organizations to use ChatGPT in their products and services. This could include chatbots for customer service, language translation services, or even virtual writing assistants. The license fee would provide companies with access to the model and allow them to integrate it into their products and services. API usage. OpenAI may offer access to ChatGPT as a paid API, allowing developers to integrate the model into their applications and charge for usage. The API could be used for a variety of purposes, such as answering customer questions, generating text, or translating languages. Companies would pay based on the number of API calls they make or the amount of data processed. Data collection. OpenAI may collect data on how ChatGPT is being used and sell that data to interested parties, such as businesses or researchers. This data could provide valuable insights into customer behavior, language patterns, and other trends, which could be used for market research, product development, and more. Consulting services. OpenAI may offer consulting services to help companies and organizations integrate ChatGPT into their products and services, and optimize its performance. This could include training the model on specific data sets, customizing its responses to fit the needs of a particular industry, or helping companies to integrate the model into their existing systems. Research. OpenAI may conduct research using ChatGPT and sell the results of that research to interested parties, such as academic institutions or corporations. This research could explore the capabilities and limitations of the model, as well as its potential applications and impact on various industries. Advertisements. OpenAI may offer companies the opportunity to advertise their products and services through ChatGPT. For example, a company could use ChatGPT to answer customer questions about their products, promoting their brand and increasing sales. In addition to these income streams, OpenAI may also explore other business models as the market for AI language models evolves. As ChatGPT continues to gain popularity and its capabilities continue to improve, the potential for generating income will only increase. It is important to note that as an AI language model, ChatGPT is not capable of generating income on its own. Instead, the income generated by ChatGPT and OpenAI will come from the use of the model by companies and organizations, and the services provided by OpenAI. However, the widespread adoption of ChatGPT and its increasing use in a variety of industries demonstrate its potential as a valuable tool for generating income.